as it's getting colder, lots of us skaters are having to go into the rink. And now it's great when you go to the rink because you've got this lovely flat surface, but there's lots of annoying people like me who've been skating since they can walk, and they make it look incredibly easy. And you're like, why can't I do that? It looks so easy, surely I can. So I get the frustrations of learning. The idea is that you enjoy the process of learning, so you enjoy your journey, which I so often say to people in the comments. So I'm going to show you a really nice move which you can do whether you're just learning to skate, you're just starting to roll, or if you're still just learning to stand up in your home. So let's get on with it. This move is the crab. So to do this, you learn to transfer your weight from your heel to your toe. So this is great because I'm always saying, get control of your skates. And this is a great way to learn control of your skates, because when you feel a wobble, it's because your weight's either too far back or too far forward. So if you're used to transferring the weight from the back to the front, this is going to really help you get stability. And of course, if you want to, you can use one of these. One thing to note about my chair friend here is he's got a little bit higher, because you don't want to ruin your posture. So if my chair's down here and I'm leaning like this, straight away my posture's wrong. So you want something that is at a natural height for your arm, so you're not leaning over. So that's quite nice. It's going to stabilise me, but it's not affecting my posture for skating. You're best to stand on the foot you feel most comfortable on and then do the move with the other one. So I'm going to use my right, but if you feel more comfortable the other way, do it that way. Using my support, I'm going to put more weight on my left foot, and then I'm going to lift the weight off the front of my skate, and I'm just going to do that. This is the first bit. And then we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to put more weight on the front of that skate, and we're going to lift the back. Don't forget, always nice soft knees. And then we do them together. So front, back, and then bring it back in again. So that's the move. So the idea is we're going to do this with both feet, like this. So it might be a good idea to try this without your skates on first, to feel the movement across the floor. Because although we're doing this, we're going to go in one direction or the other. So you're going to progress that way, or you're going to progress that way. So to get the push and pull, try it without your skates on so you can feel push either way. I've shown you that you go back, front. It's quite hard to stop your wheels from rolling, and the way I do this is a little bit cheeky. So I'm doing this movement, but I'm not lifting both the front feet. I'm lifting one toe and one heel. So I'm actually doing that. So that heel toe might be a little bit tricky to get at first. So you know what? Let's just do the two together. So let's do this. So then it's 2 heels, 2 toes, 2 heels, 2 toes. But don't forget our friend. So 2 heels, 2 toes. And that will give you the feel of it. As with everything in skating, the arms are a huge help. So I'm kind of doing this. But when you're learning, it's best to do it with your arms straight out. Because you think of the tightrope walker that uses their arms for balance. That's what you're doing. You can have quite a lot of fun with this. So we've said about doing it like this, and then doing it like this. But you can also do it where you progress 1 foot forwards. So I do there, and then on this one, I move this foot forward, and then there. And then I take it back. And then again, I can do the other foot further forwards, like that. So you can have a lot of fun with it, and this will really, really help you get control of your skates before you even do anything. And then when you start trying to skate, you're going to find it so much easier. We're talking about enjoying your journey. So when you're learning this, just put some music on and just feel it and enjoy yourself. hope you really enjoyed this one and it helps you enjoy your skating journey. I'm really enjoying this, so I may do some TikToks before I take my skates off. I'm Katie, you've been watching Skatie, and I'll see you next time. Bye! And I'm rambling. You can try either foot, nope, and move the other one. I've got 2 feet, it's a thing. Yeah. This time you'll probably want to, no, just to do this. And then doing it like this, I'm literally doing the chicken. I might just do that again. Showing my, my 80s inner child. Okay, probably best. Wow. Okay, and the leg you, we'll get there, it's okay. Music and move to the music and it will give you joy. That's rubbish. Well, I hope you have lots of fun with this one. Outtake. Skater smashed his face.